Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Enis over at Paper Crafting with Enis. She is celebrating her 2-year anniversary on YouTube as well as her birthday. She's requesting you send her one unsigned greeting card and to share a video. I will have Enis's channel linked down below so you can check out all the details to her challenge. I am sending flat mail, which was what she requested. The main card that I am sending is a happy birthday card. Since I'm making it flat, I just did one layer. This is the card that I am sending for her challenge. I use the Simple Stories collection. It is the cutest collection. I did leave the inside blank as she requested, and I'm also including an envelope. I am sending some of my dewdrops her way. That is my entry for Enis. Congratulations, Enis, on your 2-year anniversary with YouTube, and I hope that all of your birthday wishes come true. Please check out Enis's channel and join in on the fun. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.